How to fix Goldman Sachs Bank app not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your Goldman Sachs Bank app if it is not working. So sometimes when you're trying to open the app, log into your account, use some of the features, it will not work. So in this video, we'll go through the most common reasons and how you can fix them. So the first and foremost thing you gotta make sure is you have a stable internet connection. Now, as Goldman Sachs Bank app is an application that requires a stable internet connection to work, if you do not have a stable Wi-Fi or data connection, your app will not work. Henceforth, you will get various different problems. So make sure you have a stable one. Now, second thing you can do is basically force close the app and simply try to relaunch the application. Doing this will fix the problem in most of the cases, but if your problem is still there, try to see if your app needs an update. If the app is not updated to the latest version, some of the newer fixes and features will not work, causing various different glitches, crashes, etc. After that, if you're on an Android device, you can basically try to clear the cache memory of your app. Doing this will fix the problem in most of the cases. If not, you can also try to reboot or restart your phone. Check if the Goldman Sachs servers are up and running or not. And if your problem is still there, basically try to uninstall the app and then reinstall it again. Now, if your problem is still there, even when you've done all of these over here, simply try to contact the Goldman Sachs team and they will be able to help you with your problem. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.